everyone. So we're here today to watch a film about the past. This is called The Past Ended on Mango Street. It's a film that's being brought to you by the story of Thomas Watson about his grandmother. Anybody else out there who felt like that? Want to know what it's all about? We'll be back at you soon. Thanks.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
Hi Vivian. How are you?
And Hans and Hugo and Bram. This is Max.
Hi, how are you?
And I'm Deanna.
Hello.
And this is Nanny.
Nanny.
Yvonne.
Yvonne. Hi.
What troubles you in this video?
The fact that it looks so innocuous. It looks as though everyone is enjoying each other's company, that they're all happy to be part of this video with my grandmother. But the truth is that everyone is terrified. Everyone is frightened of my grandmother's secret, of the story she never told. I want to put an end to the suffering. I want to break the secret. I want to tell my grandmother's story. So I decided to go to the place that everyone had feared to go, Lampasari concentration camp. I will tell my grandmother's story.
Hello Thomas, over there in Australia, and I just want to congratulate you and John Baptiste, that's the Australian ambassador here, my name is Matthew Newhouse, on your terrific film here, very moving. I can see it was quite a struggle for you, but I think there's nothing like understanding the past for understanding the present.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for attending our screening. We're really honoured. I think that by doing this film, I've connected with Dutch Indonesians, and I'm very grateful for that.
Hi Thomas, my name is Patricia Tennyson, Indo Project. Your film was beautiful. If you could have justice, in what form would that be?
I think justice would take a number of forms. The first one would be that there would be an opportunity for families like mine to reconnect with the people that they had been separated from. An apology from the Japanese. And I also think that there needs to be a complete discussion about compensation. And also, in general, I think that this period of history and what happened in Indonesia and in Southeast Asia should be taught more widely in schools.
I'm Matthew Newhouse. I'm the Australian ambassador in the Netherlands. And I found this a very moving documentary and fascinating too, with this young man's search for the family story and how important it was to him. And it really does show the importance of history for people and also in developing their sense of identity.
My name is Nonya Peters. I've watched the film. I thought it was good. This story is well known to me from all the interviews I have done, which will be around 50 interviews. But it is good to see a personal experience on this. The silence is a well-known factor in this story from the people that certainly I've interviewed. They always talk about the silence in their families. It's nice to see the young generation go in and do the history of their families.
Well, we just finished watching this incredible film. Hopefully one day you'll all get to see it as well. It was a moving film and a moving history of Thomas's family. We had an opportunity to speak with him live. He was as genuine in person as he was in the film. Thank you very much for the film, Thomas.